I don't see you there again. So today, this may be already home. Found that it's so hot. So hot over here. You just see on the floor. Oh no. You're killing that worm. This bad. No. Don't kill the worm. Don't kill. Good job. Oh, you're gonna be brothers watching there. And also, we're having sunbath and he's walking. See? Look. He's walking. Look! Oh, she's walking. Come on. Yeah, she's walking. Yeah. Let me put him asleep. You can't really walk. He's tired sometimes and he will do like that. Okay. It's really hot over there and also hot over here. So hot. Yeah. So hot. And we're also having walking. This is his walking. And sometimes we're going to get out sometimes and sometimes not. And then sometimes we will teach him how to stand, by the way. Yeah. Because he almost stand by himself because mommy just showed us how to stand. And then he knows how also to sit down. It's so incredible. But it looks like a yoga mat. Yeah, my baby brother just do that. His talent is to roll. Talent. So guys, tell me in your comments what is your baby's talent, or he's going to have a sunbath and he's going to have a walking, or you're going to have walking around. Nah, I don't know. So like kids in the comments, like and share. So hey guys, bye. Remember to give the big like and the bell. Okay, bye bye. Love you. Bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. What are you looking at?